Hey guys, it's Matty
and Scott
from NoMapsNeededTravel here. Who do we have?
D&G Explorers.
D&G Explorers. Where are we?
Universal Studios Hollywood. And we're going on a studio tour.
Exactly. So today is our full day here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We are super excited.
Yeah.
We're super excited to be at the park, but we're even more excited because we've got these two with us. So follow along. Let's have some fun and let's enjoy it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly touch base with you guys in a few things that I experienced here at Universal, especially with a disability. So make sure to visit guest services when you do go into the park. They will provide you with what they call a disability pass. That disability pass kind of gives you, it's almost like a fast pass for you and the party that you're with, because some of the rides itself, the queues do more of that zigzag type of a thing, so it's a little harder for a person with a wheelchair or a mobility scooter to do. So what they do is they have designated wheelchair areas where you can physically go there with your party. It will bring you to the portion of that ride where if you're ambulatory, you can get off your scooter, get onto the ride, or some rides actually have spaces where you can wheel your wheelchair on. For myself, since I am slightly ambulatory, it's my walking. I can't walk too much. It offers me and gives me the capability to get on the ride a little bit quicker with our friends. So here we are on the studio tour. I'm super excited. Like I said, this is my first time. Scott, you've been many years. And then for Derick and Greg, how long has it been? Like, you guys were just here about a couple months ago. A couple months ago. So we are super excited. I'm gonna say super excited consistently because I love theme parks. I honestly do. And this is one that I can say I'd never really crossed my mind to do. It was like, yeah, it's Universal, but you know what? It's been really fun so far, and yeah, it's been amazing.
Well, it looks like they're closing those gates. Does everybody have 3D glasses? I want to make sure we get everybody a pair of 3D glasses before we go. Now, if you want to wear your 3D glasses now, you go ahead and do that, because if you wear them now, you won't lose them later. And if you lose them when we're out of the route, guys, it's almost impossible for us to replace them for you. So hang on to them, because they're expensive. They're made by Prada. No, they're not. They're actually, I think they're worth 0.0001 cent, which is more than I make. So there you go.
What's that in Canadian?
Yeah, what is that in Canadian? Never trust the Canadian. If you got the queen on one side of a coin and a beaver on the other side, are they trustworthy? Come on, man. What's a nickel? Is that a nickel? Okay, good.
you guys experienced was a shuttle ride if you have a disability. So what happens is from the upper lot, you take the elevator down, and in the backside there is a shuttle that will take you from point A to point B, pretty much from the upper lot down to the lower lot, sorry. And now we're in the Jurassic Park area. There's the Mummy, Transformers, so yeah, more fun to be had. Okay, so the taste test. Ooh, that's good. It's a Bahama Mama. What did you get, Scotty, again?
Try this. This is good. What do you think? Try mine. Mine's good.
Very sweet.
Try mine,
What did
Scotty.
you get?
You can try his.
Yours is sweeter. I like this.
Ooh, Scott's is good.
These were in
Really
these
good.
cups. These are $15.
Headmaster of Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Our school was founded over 1,000 years ago by the 4 greatest witches and wizards of the age. As many of you may know, Hogwarts is one of the schools where young people of the wizarding world come to study magic. I should warn you, things can be a little unpredictable here.
Alrighty guys, so we are in Harry Potter Land, Hogsmeade, and we just ordered a butterbeer.
Butterbeer.
Okay, so you have, what's Scott?
I have the slushy butterbeer.
And I have the regular one, and he's gonna take the first sip.
It's really good.
Is it? Okay,
Yeah.
so mine's the regular one.
It's sweet. Kind of tastes caramelly.
Ooh, that's good. That's really good.
Highly recommended if you come to Hogsmeade.
Yes, try it out. So we forgot to film an outro for last night, so today's technically the next day.
Yeah.
But we had such a great time
Yes.
at Universal Studios, and then ended it off with a beautiful dinner with our friends from California, D&G Explorers,
Oh, I
at
thought
the
you meant
Cheesecake
someone else.
Factory. Oh,
We had an
I-
awesome time with these guys, like we
Yes.
always do.
so
Way too short.
way too short. So
Coming to cruise without us.
that's the next video.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel Can you feel Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?